How to change alarm tone on iPhone. First is by opening the clock app right here, or you may also go to your control center and click on this button right here. Once you are on the clock app, simply click on alarm right here, and if you don't have any alarms yet, you may click on the plus button found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then set the time that you want. Click on sound to change the tone or the sound of your alarm. Scroll down, so the default one is the radar. You may choose Apex, Beacon, Bulletin, and many more. On the bottommost part, you may also see Classic right here. So click on that one, and you may see another set of tones or sounds right here. And then, if you want to pick a song, then simply click on Pick a Song right here, and you may choose it from your library. So that's it. That's how you can change alarm tone on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.